Welcome back to Recreational Garage. In this video, continuing to work on mini tubs. So we got to cut out the passenger side seat brace and then trace our line on here for where the mini tub's going to cut into the floor. And then we can cut this passenger side tub out. And then on both sides we have to cut out the bump stops that are in the middle of the tub. You can kind of see it right here. So we get that cut out, and then we can start trimming the floors and get the frame pieces put in on each side, and then we can put the tubs in. I think the tubs part, once you get to there, it'll go pretty smooth, pretty quick. The frame part is going to be time consuming. So let's see what we can get done, and we'll get to it. All right, real quick time-lapse interruption here. I spent some time off camera just going through and reading the instructions, watching their video, figure out where I need to mark out for cuts and fold lines and stuff. And I think I got it all figured out. I also had to remove the leaf spring because it was in the way. One of the bolts was stuck, so I had to melt it out with the plasma cutter. Anyway, we'll get back into this. We're going to start cutting out this frame piece next. But I think I got all the spots where I'm supposed to cut figured out. So we'll get back to it. Driver's side mini tub is in. Still a little bit of welding and stuff to do on it. At the front I did put a little bit too big of a gap. I cut a little too much material out, so I'm gonna have to figure out filling that in, but it is in. You can kind of see a difference here in the gap. It's quite a bit bigger than the stock tub. So I've got a 305 tire fitting up in there right now for reference compared to the 205 tire that this car came with. Much smaller tire. It's super cool to fit that big of a tire. Now Detroit Speed says that you can fit a 335 tire with the mini tubs, and I believe it. The 335 would be basically 13 and a quarter inches wide, and the 305 tire is 12 inches wide. And there is definitely room still, depending on back spacing and axle size and stuff. So it's looking pretty good. And we can see down here, we got it all in. It's pretty good. The frame piece is in. I want to take and hit all these welds with the flapper disc just to make sure I've knocked down anything high and anything sharp, so that if a tire ever gets into it, it doesn't just shred the tire. But you can see in the front here, I've got some pretty big gaps that will need to be filled. So I'll figure that out, take care of it. Still a little bit of welding left to do, a little bit of hammering, a little bit of filling things. I still have to grind one of the welds where they want you to underneath for the frame piece for one of the support pieces brackets that comes with it. So I'll get that done. But driver's side tub is in. Pretty exciting. I can't wait to drive this car with some big fat meats in the back. It'll be pretty awesome. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.